Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the welcome deal on AliExpress. Here's how to remove or close the welcome deal pop-up on AliExpress web app. The first thing to do is to launch your browser and go to the AliExpress website at aliexpress.com. Now you can use any browser of your choice, no hassle. If you're not already logged in, you can do so by clicking on the account icon at the top right corner of the website to log in. Once logged in, it takes you to this fantastic homepage. Now, if you see the welcome deal pop up on the homepage, that's if you're a first timer, or as a banner, you will typically have an option to close it. Look for an X or close button in the corner of the pop-up window or banner. Now click on it to dismiss the welcome deal. Okay, so here you go. I think this looks like a welcome deal in here, and that's the pop-up bestsellers and just a lot of things. So I have this X button in there, so click on that. And once you click on that, that's it. If the pop-up continues to appear after closing it by clicking on the X icon, try refreshing the page to see if it remains gone. So if the welcome deal still reappears, clearing your browser cache might help. So go to your browser settings and look for the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to select cached images and files. Ensure that cookies are enabled, as disabling them may affect the display of pop-ups. So by following these steps, you should be able to remove the welcome deal on AliExpress in case it poses a bother to you. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.